Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to BullX. Alright, let's begin. To add the Phantom Wallet to BullX, start by opening the BullX website and navigating to the Wallet Manager. In the Wallet Manager, click on the Add Wallet option. You can choose from various wallet types. For this tutorial, select Solana. Next, enter the name of your wallet, which is Phantom. Now you need to provide your wallet address. Open your Phantom Wallet extension in Google Chrome. Go to the Receiving section and select Solana as the blockchain for transactions related to BullX. Copy the address displayed in your Phantom Wallet and return to the BullX website. Paste the address into the Enter Wallet Address section and click on the Add Wallet option. You will see that the Phantom Wallet has now been successfully added to your BullX account. Please note that BullX may take up to 1 hour to activate your wallet. So, after adding your Phantom Wallet, just wait for about 1 hour for it to be fully activated. So that's basically how you can connect Phantom Wallet to BullX. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.